Hello guys, my name is Dennis. Welcome to my channel Need Some Space. I hope you guys are doing well. And in my previous video, I had a question that is the earth actually flat? So there's a community of people who think that the earth is flat and they have their personal reasons for that. And these people are known as flat earthers. So I really don't know how these people are convinced that the earth is flat in spite of having so many proofs. Not only NASA, if we remove NASA, then also there are a lot of ways to prove that the earth is actually a globe and it's not a pancake shaped planet. So let me just tell you guys that how a planet is actually formed. The gravitational pull of any planet gives the shape of the planet. Like if the earth is rotating around itself, it's because of gravity, and that gives the shape of any planet. If there is no gravity, there will be no planet. The core decides the shape of the planet, just like Jupiter and every other planet that exists in our solar system, or for that matter anywhere in space. A planet actually has gravity. That's the reason the earth is actually shaped like a globe and not a pancake. So this community of flat earthers think that the sun actually revolves around the earth and the earth does not revolve around the sun. Same goes for the moon. So I don't know how it works. If the sun actually revolved around the earth, then there would be no day and nights. There would be only days. And if that was true, then anything would have been not existed. For example, plants would have been, burnt. Everything would have been burnt. The earth itself would have been burnt. If the earth was flat and the sun was revolving around the earth, then there would be no earth. Just a burnt piece of burnt pancake. These people also think that the NASA is lying to them, that military is involved in this particular thing, and the NASA is trying to hide the fact that the earth is flat, which I think is absurd and something really funny to say, something like that. They also think that the reality is fake, NASA is faking everything. The International Space Station that revolves around the earth is actually fake, there is no one inside, and every live images that they send of earth from International Space Station is just a CGI. Again, funny. So one of my friends thinks that he looks like Hawkeye, but he is not going and proving himself that he looks like Hawkeye. And the only difference between my friend and the flat earthers is that my friend is a bit smarter than them. But they know that the Mars is a globe, because Elon Musk had a question that why don't we have a community for flat Mars? So for that they replied to Elon Musk saying that the Mars is a globe because we have seen it in the camera. So for this particular thing, they trust NASA. They believe that every other planet in our solar system is a globe, but the Earth is not. I'm not saying that flat earthers are dumb, but every time they open their mouth, I would just say that your anus must be pissed because all the shit coming out of your mouth. So we know that the sun is actually a star, right? So I think that whenever a flat earther looks at the sun, they must see something like this. I don't know. I wonder how these people work. How their brain works. Oh, I think their brain must be something like this. I don't know. Maybe. So these people think that the earth is flat and the borders of the earth is covered with Antarctica, the continent Antarctica. And the military does not give permission for humans to go over there because of some personal reason. That does not mean the earth is actually flat. They think that the NASA does not want us to know that the earth is flat for some reason. I don't know who is gaining from this, and even Mark Sargent, who is the head of the Flat Earth Society, does not know the reason. I don't know how people, like, if you're not sure about a lot of things, then you cannot make a community out of it and just the earth is flat, the earth is flat. This is just dumb. Let me just tell you some things that would happen, that would be possible if the earth was actually flat. So if you are at the center of the earth, then that area would have a lot of gravitational force, and if you tried walking away from the center, you will be pulled back to the center, because the center consists of the highest amount of gravitational force. So next time if you're standing at, next time there won't be a next time of course, but if you're standing at the center of the earth, of a flat earth, and if you try to move away from the center, then you have to do something like this, which would be impossible to do because everyone would be collected towards the center of the earth. And the thing is that the trees would grow something like this, towards the center diagonally. They also think that the stars in the space are just lights, and I don't just can't believe that these people exist and they think like that. I can't believe that more than 0 people think that the earth is flat. So yesterday while I was writing the script for this video, I had a thought in my mind where I can actually prove that the earth is flat. And did I just say earth is flat? The earth is globe. And why do flat earthers think that when you stand in a particular location, they tell that I'm looking at a flat surface, there is no curvature. I'll give you the reason. Because I was thinking on it and I came up with a solution for it. So when you look at this image, you can see a triangle, and what I did is I added one extra side which made it a square, and then I added one more side which made it a pentagon. When you keep doing this, you can see it forms a hexagon, and then when you keep adding the sides, you will eventually get a circle. So that proves that the circle is made up of small straight lines. So you are so small compared to the earth that when you stand at a point, you see that straight line. That does not mean the earth is flat. Dumb flat earthers, that means the earth is so huge that you can just see that flat surface, which is logical. There is one star named Betelgeuse which is in the Orion belt, which is going to explode soon. I'll tell you how and why and what can we see when the star goes supernova. So there would be something beautiful. So wait for my next video and to see how does Betelgeuse explode and what can we see in the night sky. Guys, just one thing I want to tell, that if you're a flat earther and if you're watching this video, these were just jokes, and please get offended by these jokes and find a different purpose in life. So guys, if you like the video, please press the like button, comment your doubts in the comment section, and if you have any other suggestions for me to make a video on, I would surely reply to you and make a video on that particular topic. And do not forget to share this video and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys. Thank you for the time. Namaste.